Everyone's chasing the AI hype right now, building apps, startups, and tools that promise to change the world. But let's be real, most of these shiny AI ventures, they're gone in 18 months or less. So, if you're not coding the next big thing, where's the actual cash flow hiding? Stick around because I'm breaking it down step by step, how you can stack serious wealth without touching a keyboard. We're talking real, gritty opportunities that fly under the radar. By the end, you'll see exactly how to position yourself for the win, bubble or not. First off, let's map out the AI landscape like a boss. Think of this as your crash course in AI economics. 5 minutes to level up your game. We start at the foundation, Tier 0, energy infrastructure. AI doesn't run on dreams, it guzzles electricity like a beast. Data centers are on track to suck up more power than some countries by 2030. If you're sharp about money, you're already thinking, who's fueling this monster? We're eyeing utilities, generators, grid upgrades, and the businesses that keep it all humming. Picture this, massive data centers popping up everywhere, and they need constant upkeep. Don't just invest in stocks, get in on the action. Start or buy into services that handle the dirty work, like emergency repairs for power systems. Take Hanley Energy. They specialize in building and maintaining data centers. Smart move? Shadow their playbook. Become the go-to contractor in your region for 24/7 fixes. Build expertise around high-voltage setups, cooling systems, whatever keeps those servers alive. It's not glamorous, but it's recession-proof gold. These gigs pay fat because downtime costs these tech giants millions. You show up reliable, and suddenly you're indispensable. Now, crank it up to Tier 1 chips. This is the arms race. NVIDIA, AMD, they're the kings, controlling the tech world's pulse. But forget betting on stocks alone. Who's actually constructing these multi-billion-dollar fabs? Who's handling the HVAC, clean rooms, and installations? Big contractors have been at it for decades, with certifications and teams that speak engineer lingo. You? Position yourself as the support crew. Those fabs get grimy, HEPA filters clog, dust builds up in spots that could fry a chip. Enter the niche players like Promera, used to be Data Clean. They obsess over keeping clean rooms spotless. No PhD required, just master one thing: mission-critical cleaning. Show up, do it better than anyone, and charge premium. Bill $150 an hour, while the big boys won't touch it with their $200 engineers. It's the ultimate side hustle that scales. Imagine owning a crew that services fabs across states. Steady contracts, low competition, massive margins. Tier 2 hits closer to home. Data centers themselves. Last year, $455 billion poured in, up 51%. Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, they're dropping billions like it's nothing. But they can't do it without the basics. Plumbing, roofing, wiring, insulation. This is blue-collar territory turned high stakes. Local pros in these trades? They're the unsung heroes raking it in while tech bros chase unicorns. Look at JM Tech Group. They don't just mop floors. They inspect for fire risks, fix loose cables, and prevent disasters. Start as a cleaner, evolve into a risk consultant. Charge more because you're saving them headaches. Hey, we spotted a potential outage, fixed it before it cost you downtime. Boom, you're not the janitor, you're the guardian. These services print money because AI empires can't afford a single glitch. If you're handy or no trades, this is your entry point to 6 figures without the startup drama. Shifting gears to Tier 3 foundation models. This is big league stuff. OpenAI, xAI, Google, Anthropic, they're the oil rigs of AI. Huge investments, long waits, risky payoffs. You and I, we're not competing here, but smart money sells to them. As investor Elizabeth Yin points out, early AI startups burn $500,000 a month on GPUs, those supercalculators for AI tasks. With $10 million funding, that's barely 20 months before lights out, especially with user growth eating profits. OpenAI's valuation? $300 billion. Revenue jumping from $3.7 billion to $12.7 billion. But training costs? Exploding to billions. Here's the angle. Orchestration tools, APIs, frameworks, the plumbing that makes it all flow. Watch for circular financing too. NVIDIA invests in buyers, Amazon backs Anthropic while hosting them. It's intertwined, but the real play? Supply the essentials they can't live without. Tier 4, infrastructure software. Skipped in the hype, but crucial. These are the back-end heroes enabling everything. Then Tier 5, AI native apps. The flashy layer where most jump in, building without a plan. Tools like Replit or Cursor let you whip up a prototype in a weekend, feel like a tech god, snag users. But scaling? That's when it crumbles. 2 a.m. bugs, payments, databases. You're toast without real plumbing. Win big here, and big tech lurks. They won't just copy, they'll poach your team. Google, Meta, they dangle $2 million packages. Key person risk on blast. Solution? Lock in a technical co-founder with equity, vesting, bonuses. Build a culture that outshines Silicon Valley perks. Or aim for a solid $1 to $5 million lifestyle biz. Know your end game. Your engineers are your moat. Now, the elephant. Is this an AI bubble? $400 billion in infrastructure. $2 billion raises. S&P gains tied to 10 stocks. Smells bubbly. But unlike .com or tulips, AI's already embedded. 90% of GDP growth linked. Valuations? Reasonable versus 99 insanity. Don't short or ape in blindly. Let's take some actions if you want to profit from AI. It's very simple to launch a digital storefront fast. With Gemini or ChatGPT, you have the tools to build your store. Tell it your niche, pet gear, home office, and it will build a Shopify empire. Products, design, zero inventory. Create the hooks for Reels or TikTok videos. Then, with a landing page, get all the sales. Sometimes this is complicated, but it's possible to make some profit of it, and a lot of people is already doing it. But there are other ways to profit with AI, even if you are not willing to invest in hours building a store. So, how to profit regardless? Here are 5 different use cases to get profit. 1. Use AI for margins. It's a tool. Automate service, leads, SOPs. Furniture giant Temple & Webster, AI handles 80% interactions, costs down 60%. More profit, same effort. 2. Buy boring services. Model makers commoditize. Winners are operators. Wire servers, cool farms, clean labs, install solar, recession-proof. 3. Fix workflows. Solve pains like co-counsel, halves legal doc time. Pitch. Double your output, make more cash. 4. Own now. AI multiplies chances if you're first. Bottleneck? Creativity. Workers waste time fixing AI. 2/3 of firms haven't started. Get ahead with agents. Goal-oriented AI that plans autonomously. 5. Think with AI, not for it. Direct originality. Time and market beats timing. And now the real closer. Listen close because this is where most people tune out and lose. The AI gold rush is already here. But the people who actually get rich aren't the ones swinging pickaxes hoping to strike gold. They're the ones selling the picks, the shovels, the dynamite, the mules, the maps, and the cold beer at the end of the day. When the bubble pops, and it might not, the infrastructure still needs power. The chips still need clean rooms. The data centers still need cooling and wiring. The solar panels still need installation. Those needs don't disappear, they compound. The guys who positioned themselves 5 years ago as just the HVAC contractor for data centers, or the emergency generator service in Northern Virginia, they're quietly printing 7- and 8-figure exits right now, while everyone else is crying about their startup valuation. You don't need to predict whether AI becomes Skynet or fizzles. You only need to understand one thing. Every single layer of this revolution requires real-world, boring, mission-critical support, and someone has to provide it. That someone can be you. Not tomorrow, not next year, right now. So what do you think? Which is your next automation or business to develop with AI? Do you know where to start, or do you need more guidance to continue? Follow for more information, insights on how to use AI, and don't forget to drop a comment and smash that like button.